Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming how I get paid online, and I know a lot of people have been asking me this question, so I wanted to answer it today. Please ignore my mouth. I just came back from the dentist, totally forgot that they were going to numb the side of my face, and I already had plans to do this video, so just ignore how like weird I sound right now and how this side is not really moving. But yeah, I will try my best to get through this video, and I'm gonna try to make it quick because it's kind of hurting, but you know, dedication. Okay, so let's get right into it. So there are two ways that I make money online, and that is through YouTube and through Instagram. And obviously some of you guys might already know how to make money off YouTube, but I will just go through some of my points that I have on my phone here just to explain how I get paid online and the process and how you can do it as well. So yeah, so I get paid through YouTube through AdSense. AdSense is a program that's connected with YouTube that allows influencers as myself, YouTube video creators, to get paid per video. So what AdSense does, just like its name, ads, it places ads in videos. So whenever you guys see obviously ads in videos, that's how YouTubers get paid. So basically, if you watch that whole ad or if you click on that ad, that's bringing in revenue for that influencer. So that's how it works. So if you, obviously you guys, most of you guys already know this because you're probably YouTubers already, but if you don't have a YouTube channel and you're starting out as a YouTube channel and you want to know how you can get paid, because you hear YouTubers get paid, yes, we do get paid for making videos. Thankfully YouTube has given us that option. So you would go to adsense.com, and on adsense.com everything is explained there, how you get paid and everything that you need to like connect it. And there's also a lot of videos on YouTube that explain how to connect AdSense with your YouTube, because you have to connect that. It's not like you join YouTube right away and you get paid right away, especially YouTube has new rules on starting to get paid on YouTube, because now it's a little bit harder than before. From when I first started out, it's a lot harder now to get paid than from before. So yeah, so basically how that works is the more views that you have really determines how much you get paid. So that's why, you know, YouTubers really try to work hard on their views, because that's how they get paid. Obviously the second way I get paid on YouTube, apart from AdSense, is through sponsors. So I will show you guys maybe an example here. I think I've only done 2 sponsor videos on YouTube. I did one for a dress company, I'll put it here, and then I did one for an acne company called Vanish as well, and those 2 videos were sponsored, so I got a good amount of pay for that. So basically what I mean by sponsored means that the company paid me money to create a video advertising their product. So I was wearing the product, I tried it on for the Vanish one, and I got paid through that as well, so through sponsorship. Okay, so the second way, like I said, was Instagram. Instagram is so underrated. Why I say that is because people think that just because Instagram doesn't directly pay you, just kind of like YouTube, because YouTube uses AdSense to pay you. Instagram doesn't use anything to pay you. But what people don't understand is that Instagram is a platform that allows companies and influencers to collaborate, and that's how they get paid. So I also get paid through Instagram, especially more so lately than before. Especially my Instagram has been growing at a pretty fast pace. So what happens is that a company reaches out to me because they like my content. I like to keep my Instagram clean. I'll show maybe my Instagram feed over here. I like to keep my Instagram feed clean, high quality. I try to post more regularly. That's what I'm working on still, because I'm not always posting as much as I should. And really, I'm gonna start more this week because I realized just how important Instagram is. And so on Instagram, what happens is I'll by the way, you have to change your Instagram to a business account, because that's how companies will take you seriously. Don't leave it as a personal account, because if you're trying to achieve as an influencer, it should not be on personal, it should be as a business account. And there's ways, if you don't know how to do that, you can YouTube it, Google it, they'll show you. And so yeah, companies send me emails talking about their product, and so what they do is they offer me an amount of money to do a post, a simple post on Instagram or a video on Instagram talking about their products. And I've done a lot of collaboration with different companies. Whenever you guys go on my Instagram and you see I'm advertising a product, it's because I got paid for that product. I got paid to promote that product, and that's how I got paid. That's how I get paid through Instagram. And Instagram, it's great. Like, you're enjoying putting out your own content, but also you can put out content that was that you're paid for. So that's how I get paid on Instagram. And I think I might even make a video explaining how I grew my Instagram and how some tips to really get companies to notice you, the types of hashtags, because hashtags are really important, the type of hashtags you should be using to get a little bit noticed by companies, because you might have an Instagram page and then they don't notice it and stuff like that. So yeah, so those are the two ways I get paid online, through YouTube using AdSense. So the more videos you have, the more views you get, and the subscriber count is all connected, because the more subscribers you have, the more views you will get. And then so AdSense and sponsorships, well, I cannot talk clearly, my mouth is frozen. And then, like I said, Instagram through sponsors. Okay, so I will put some links below so you guys can check out my Instagram. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that was helpful. I will come up with a little bit more videos. I want to start making videos that will help others grow, as well as I am also trying to figure out my own channel, because my channel is not big at all, but I've been growing lately and I've been making a decent amount. And I want to, you know, help others, because I remember when I was struggling just trying to make money off YouTube, but now, like, there's something actually coming in and I feel very confident in it. And yeah, so I'm gonna make more videos helping you guys with your platforms and online and how to grow. So thank you so much, DBRIGHTSQUADDD, for watching, and excuse my mouth and how I look right now basically, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.